Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be looking at how to build a Canadian monthly dividend. So this one will give you a passive income that you could purchase to increase your cash flow. So first, let's look at what is dividend. So a dividend is a distribution of some of the company's earning to a class of its shareholders as determined by the company's board of directors. Dividends are payments made by public listed companies as a reward for the investors for putting their money into the venture. Announcements of dividend payout are generally accomplished by the proportional increase or decrease in the company's stock price. So determining the dividend, the board consider the corporation's financial performance, its result of operations, cash flow, needs with respect to financing ongoing operations, and the growth balanced against returning capital to shareholders. So the board continues to focus on building sustainable earning and cash flow growth. The first stock that we will be looking at is the Pembina Pipeline, ticker symbol PPL. So Pembina Pipeline Corp is a Canadian-based transportation and midstream service provider. The company owns an integrated system of pipeline that transport various hydrocarbon liquid and natural gas products produced primarily in Western Canada. It also owns gas gathering and processing facilities and an oil and natural gas liquid infrastructure and logistics business. The company's integrated assets and commercial operations, along with the majority of the hydrocarbon value chain, allows it to offer a full spectrum of midstream and marketing service to the energy sector. Pembina Pipeline Corp is structured into a three division, which is Pipeline Division, Facility Division, and Marketing and News Venture Division. So now we will look at the chart here. So I did this before the market closed, just got the time to record the video right now. As you can see, it's averaging around $40. And if you look at the 52 or the previous close was 39.11, and it does provide you a yield which is 6.44%. It's about 21 cents per share. The range, it's already at very close to the 52-week range, but I think it still has room for growth. If you look at the market cap, it's 22 billion, and their ex-dividend date has just passed, but it's every month. So the next ex-dividend date would be around June 21. And if you look at the 5-year chart, you can see back in 2019, prior to COVID, the highest it has been, it's around $52, $52 range. And the lowest it has been was around $18 or so. Actually, $18 or so back in 2020. And if you were to look at the history of their dividend payout, you can see that every month they have continuously paid their dividend. The only time they have missed their dividend in these chart here would be on November 6, 2020. But in general, they have been paying about 21 cents per share. And usually their payout date is around the 15th of each month. The next stock that we will be looking at is Ryokan Real Estate Investment Trust, ticker symbol REI.UN. Ryokan Real Estate Investment Trust, Ryokan. It's a Canada-based closed-end real estate investment trust. The trust owns and manages Canada's portfolio of shopping centers with ownership interest in a portfolio of 230 properties with an aggregate net leasable area of approximately 39.1 million square foot, including residential rental and 13 development properties. The trust property portfolio includes grocery new formats, retail, urban retail, mixed use, non-grocery, which is approximately 190 properties are owned, which include approximately 186 income properties and 4 properties under development, and approximately 40 are co-owned through joint arrangements with co-owners, including approximately 9 under development. The trust project are categorized into urban, mixed use, renovation, backfill, greenfield, and expansion. You can see the 5 years chart. And if you were to look at the dividend history, they have paid every month dividend, but they did decrease their dividend prior to December of 2020. They used to pay about 12 cents per share, and now it's 0.08. So the dividend did decrease by 33.33%. But there's more potential for the growth in the stock. And eventually, I have a feeling that the dividend will also be higher when they're all settled and with after pandemic. The next stock that we will be looking at is TransAlta Renewable, ticker symbol RNW. TransAlta Renewable Inc. Is a Canada-based company again. It owns portfolio of renewable and natural gas power generation facilities and other infrastructure assets. The company has interest in approximately 23 wind facilities, 13 hydroelectric facilities, 7 natural gas generation facilities, 1 solar facility, 1 natural gas pipeline, 1 battery storage project, repeating an ownership interest in over 2,537 megawatts of owned generating capacity located in the province of British Columbia, Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and states of Wyoming, Massachusetts, Minnesota, and the states of Western Australia. Its facilities include South Headland Power Station, South Cross Sarnia, Parkinson Fortier River Gas Pipeline, a Colcolex Appleton, Bone Creek, and much more. And if you were to look at their pricing, the previous close was about 1933. 52-week range was $24.47 being the 52 weeks high. If you look at the chart, it have outperformed in the past. So it has its moments where it has gone down and up, but 2021 was an exception where the price did go up to 24.47. I do have a feeling as Joe Biden is talking about renewable energies and more are being done, it's going to increase over time. Right now, the market cap is 5 billion. The ex-dividend date is coming up on June the 14th. They do provide you 4.86%, which is about 0.07 cents per share. Their ex-dividend date, if you look at that, they have always paid their dividend. The dividend dates are usually around mid or end of each month mid-month is the ex-dividend date. The payout dates are usually on the end of the month, and they do provide you this 0.07 cents, as I said. So hope you guys found this video useful, and add them to your watch list. Watch them, see when would be a good time for you to get into them. If you do like these type of video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And thank you again for taking your time and watching my investing channel here. So I will see you guys next time. Have yourself a great day. Take care. Bye.